Yan na guys ang ating ginisang ampalaya with ground beef. Yan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Samahan niyo po ako at magluluto po tayo ng ginisang ampalaya with beef mince. Ayan. Meron po tayo ditong beef mince, garlic, onion, at saka ampalaya. Ayan. Ganyan po yung pagka-slice. Mainit na po yung kawali. Add oil. Ayan. And cook our minced beef or giniling na baka. Ayan. Kunti lang po. Kasi ako lang naman ang kakain. Isa yung malinis. Ito po ang ating beef. So, now we can add garlic. Ayan, isahin. Ayan, lagay naman po natin yung ating onion. Ano po ang ating onion. Lagay naman po natin ang ating slice na ampalaya. Add salt as per your taste. And pepper. And mix. Haluin. Ngayon, takpan po natin. Ito po ang ating ginisang ampalaya na may ground beef or beef mince. Ayan. Ating ginisang ampalaya na may giniling. Ayan. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Ayan na guys ang ating ginisang ampalaya with ground beef. Yan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.